Hi guys, I'm Tiffany and welcome to Richly Sweet. First off, I'd like to give a disclaimer out there. I still have family members up and I have no time to do this. I used to have a YouTube page and I decided to start back up, and so this is literally the only time unless I don't get no sleep later. So you can probably hear my washer, my dishwasher, children, movies, and all of that going on in the background. So I apologize in advance. But if you made it this far, welcome to my channel. I am Tiffany Rich, and this is Richly Sweet. I'm going to cover baking in this channel, baking, cooking, quick tips and tricks on all things desserts and food. So today in our little segment, we are going to make an easy 4-ingredient cookies. Actually, this one's going to be 5 because I'm going to add chocolate chips to mine. But the normal recipe is only 4. And this is it. 1 box of cake mix, 1 egg, 1 tub of Cool Whip, and powdered sugar. So let's get cooking. Alright, first things first, grab your apron because this is a very, very messy recipe. So, like I said, it's not a quiet house. Peep the Friends merch. I am a Friendsaholic. Love Friends. So, alright, so first things first, start with your cake mix. I'm using red velvet. I'm going for a red velvet chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so add that in there. Then you're going to take your tub of Cool Whip. This is an 8-ounce tub. If you are wanting to double this recipe, obviously get 2 of everything. If you want to get like a healthier version of all this, obviously get like a sugar-free cake mix, light sugar, Cool Whip. Keep my cat in the background. Okay, and then add 1 egg. And you can probably hear my child crying in the background because she's refusing to go to bed. So there's that. So mix, okay? Mix these 3 ingredients. Let's speed this up. Okay, now that your batter is all mixed up, it should be a little goopy looking, and then I'm going to add my chocolate chips. These are mini chocolate chips. You can use whatever kind you like. I like a good chip, so they are tiny, 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 tiny. Add probably 1/4 cup of those, and we're going to mix again. Okay, now that your batter is done, your next ingredient is powdered sugar. But you're not mixing it, okay? I have this little scooper. It's already been in the batter. For cookie dough, you're going to take one of those, spray that down, take a cookie sheet that is sprayed down, then you're going to take 1 scoop and drop it in, okay? And then you're going to roll, make a powdered dough. Now listen, I've never heard this recipe before, okay? I had shared it on Facebook. I was so excited. I was so like, oh my gosh, this is something new and easy. On top of that, that I had several people like, oh, I do it all the time. I do this flavor, I do that flavor. I'm like, well, thanks guys for letting me button this baker down. What if I'm being my own mother? So just fill up your cookie sheet, and when you're done filling them up, put them in the oven for 12 minutes on 350. So let me show you the final product here in a minute. And here we are. This beautiful batch of cookies makes 2 dozen cookies in total. Quick, easy, and cheap to make. And I'm actually going to give a quick shout out here real quick because the person who told me, link in bio, to get back on the YouTube side of things has a YouTube herself, and her daughter loves to bake. I used to attend church with her. She's a dear friend of mine. Follow her below, and her sister also tagged below. But let me know in the comments if you made these, okay? So grab your favorite cup, grab some milk, grab some cookies, and also a little heads up note, if you want them a little crunchier, just cook them a little bit longer. But here we go. So creamy, chewy, and delicious. Thank you for tuning into Richly Sweet. See you next week.